Well, September 18th, here we are in the aftermath of the last night's hailstorm. This is about 13 hours after the storm. It must have laid pretty thick here where the hail came sliding off the roof of this shed. I see more piled up down here. Still a good size. The biggest I saw last night was about between the size of a quarter and a loonie. Big enough to do some serious damage. Anyway, I'm gonna have a look at some of the crops here. This is some canola that's been swathed about a week, I think. Nice big 35, 40 foot swaths. But most of the pods on top of the swath are broken. Yeah, that one's still got some in it, but the majority are broken and shelled out, so that seed will be gone. I guess the stuff down underneath, that'll still be okay. Lots of water in the ditch. Here's the standing wheat. Brandon. I don't think these are, well, yeah, there's some breakage there. But the first thing I see is a lot of seed on the ground here. Green too. There's quite a bit of thrashed out wheat here. There's still a lot left in the heads, but when you can see it on the ground without even getting down there, that's quite a bit. A lot of broken straws. A lot of this stuff was already ripe enough it could have been harvested. I was just waiting for some of the green to come out. Boy, they really stripped this old clover. Canada thistle, or the south thistle, took a beating too. This is a sheltered area here. These evergreens would have taken a lot of the brunt of the storm. But even here in the shelter, there's plenty of evidence of thrashed out heads and broken straws. A little bit of lodging going on here. That could have been happening before the storm, but wow, that's flat. That's not coming back, I don't think. That ground is decidedly soft. In fact, I'm standing in water. Yeah, 2 3/4 inches of rain will do that. Well, let's head for semi-solid ground. I'm curious just how the neighbors standing canola stood up. And just looking from a distance, I can see pretty serious damage. Yeah, the ground is covered in broken pods. Anything that was ripe is shelled out pretty bad. And the green stuff that wasn't ripe is laying down pretty bad. But wow, that's some serious thrashing. Yeah, I guess all those whitish patches looking across the field, those are the ripe areas that were thrashed out by last night's hail. Water over there in my summerfellow. I'm almost afraid to look at that summerfellow. There's going to be washouts and flooding. Yeah, it thinned out the leaves on the trees a little too. They were just starting to turn color. still shot of this.